Today I'll be showing you the Heartland Restaurant web portal. The web portal has location settings and menu settings for your point of sale system. You can manage your rooms and lead flow inside of the location setup page, such as diner room will have a table layout. It basically manages how your lead flow comes together. When people call in, then there can be a to-go room. When people dine in, then the server can tap on the table and start the order. We can also set up staff members here. You can edit any staff members or make them inactive at any point. Setting up staff members is easy. You just have to set up the active type, job type, and permission. You can set up the rate and login pin in that area. And permissions can also be managed for them. Another feature that we love is you can set clock-in messages like remember to always smile when you start your shift. So as soon as they clock in, they see a message. And also under location setup, you can see the authorized tablets. The authorized tablets is basically the iPads that are online, stations that are online and offline. So it tells me, for example, this one has a warning. Basically, there's a pending menu upload. So the way the system works, when I'm changing account menu, I have to save and publish. Let's take a look at that. So let's say I want to edit an item or change the price. Let's say the all-you-can-eat catfish went up $1. So I can hit the key to change it, and there's a save icon. So you save it, and then you would publish it, and the change will come into effect. And you can reflect those changes and always check them out. There's also modifiers. So if I want to add a modifier here on the item page, I can edit it all over here. Prompt for quantity, tags, sizes can be there. Small, medium, large size you can set up. And you can also add modifiers inside of it. And then they would have to select one of these modifiers. Modifiers aren't required to be selected, but you can make them required if you need to. We also manage sections and groups. Sections and groups can be managed based on time, and you can also turn sections offline. So when you turn sections offline, then for example, your items will not go on DoorDash or the online website. Dashboard also displays sales. So sales is something that people always ask about. How do I see how much I did in DoorDash? How much do I see in this? So today, for example, $300 was done on DoorDash, $25 was done online. We also set up websites and landing pages for restaurants. This is an example. When you Google the Colony Cafe, it takes you to this website, so you can order online or delivery. And with our DoorDash integration, you can mark up the prices automatically. So the price on DoorDash is $14, and the price online will be much less. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys have a good one, and if you need any questions answered, please feel free to give us a call or leave a comment. Thank you.